Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to set a passcode or Face ID lock on hidden photos and recently deleted photos on your iPhone. This is a very useful privacy feature because it helps protect your personal photos from other people using your phone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you are inside Settings, scroll down until you find Apps and tap on it. Now scroll down again and look for Photos. Once you find it, simply tap on it to open the photo settings. Here you will see an option related to use, Face ID or passcode for hidden and recently deleted albums. Simply enable this option, and now your hidden photos and recently deleted photos will be protected with Face ID or your iPhone passcode. After enabling it, whenever someone tries to open those albums, they will need Face ID or the passcode to access them. And that's basically it. This is how you can lock hidden photos and recently deleted photos on iPhone. If this video helped you, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more useful iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.